lava flow. Look at the lava flow. Holy cow.
My volcano erupted.
Yes.
It's a big volcanic eruption. I don't know what to say that.
Just think if that was an island. Oh my God. Holy cow. Look at that. Oh, people would be on the run. Look at that. Nowhere to escape, baby.
Wait, look at that. It looks like a stream of Kool-Aid.
Absolutely.
Okay,
Ready?
I think
Rest.
breathing. More.
Whoa. Now with the water on top. Holy cow. Look at that. Island has been submerged. Island has been submerged.
The volcano is
Holy
covered.
cow, Booba.
The volcano
Look
is
at
covered.
that.
The volcano is covered in
The whole island is done now. It's under lava. Look at that. Oh no, Booba. It's all done. The island has been submerged. Wow. Now it will retreat for 100 years before it erupts again.
Well, we don't have any more supplies. We used all of it.
Well, that's okay. It's pretty cool. I liked it. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
We haven't erupted in a long time, like a year.
Right. Take that into Grandma's and rinse it out in the sink so she don't use it. Let it sit overnight.
What happens if a squirrel takes it?
He's not going to like it because it tastes pretty nasty.
Bye.